Welcome to our tutorial on how to enable the dynamic email feature in Gmail on your PC. Dynamic email allows you to interact with emails directly within your Gmail inbox, making your email experience more dynamic and efficient. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to enable dynamic email in Gmail. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Gmail on your PC. Step 2. On the top right corner, click on Settings. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. Step 3. Click on See All Settings. This will take you to the Gmail settings page. Step 4. Scroll down and locate the section labeled Dynamic Email. Next to it, enable the checkbox to enable Dynamic Email. That's it. You have successfully enabled the dynamic email feature in Gmail. Now, you can enjoy the benefits of interactive emails such as RSVPing to events, responding to comments, and more, directly within your Gmail inbox. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials on Gmail and other tech-related topics.